Improving your blood flow will improve every other aspect of your health: physical health, mental health, emotional health, and spiritual health. That's why we got to talk about what we can eat to improve it. Let's start with red blood cells. Now, the key nutrients that the body uses to build new red blood cells are folic acid, B12, vitamin C, vitamin E, iron, and copper. The next thing to consider is an important hormone that the kidneys produce called erythropoietin, or EPO for short. This hormone increases the rate of red blood cell production. This is particularly amplified in the absence of cellular oxygenation. And finally, we have blood plasma, the fluid base of blood, which is 92% water, 7% protein, and 1% mineral salts, sugars, fats, hormones, and vitamins. I could include white blood cell count, but improving white blood cell count isn't really a priority when we're trying to improve blood flow and lowering blood pressure. This is because an increase in white blood cells is a direct response to stress and infection. This is also going to be a thing that triggers an increase in blood pressure. And that's not something we really want. Let's move on to vascular health. Now, the tissue that makes up our vascular system has to be soft, smooth, and flexible. And there's certain key nutrients that we need in order to maintain it and improve it. This is going to be potassium, magnesium, omega-3 fatty acids, and retinol. Now, as far as food is concerned, the solution is incredibly convenient because all the nutrients needed for red blood cells, blood plasma, and vascular health can all be found in two main plant-based food categories: fruits and vegetables. Juicing beets, carrots, cucumbers, apples, chard, spinach, and mustard greens practically lowers blood pressure and improves blood flow almost immediately. Eating mango, kiwi, banana, papaya, and berries provide all the necessary energy, vitamins, minerals, and amino acids for building your blood, bones, and bone marrow. These are all foods that are easy to digest and metabolize, which makes them ideal for people who struggle to lose weight, or people who have anemia or gut health issues like Crohn's and colitis. The common thing among all the foods that I mentioned here is that they can all fit in a raw vegan diet. A raw vegan diet can be very ideal for healing and improving things like your blood flow and lowering your blood pressure naturally. One thing to consider is that much of the nutrients that's needed in order to improve blood flow and lower blood pressure and things like that get destroyed during the cooking process. In fact, a lot of the nutrient deficiencies that we see today are partly caused by cooking or overcooking, needlessly cooking. Those nutrients literally get consumed by the fire rather than your body.